Hey there, YouTube creators. Are you struggling to get more views, subscribers, and engagement on your channel? What if I told you there's an AI-powered tool that can analyze your videos, optimize your titles, descriptions, and even help you rank higher on YouTube? That's right, today, we're reviewing TubeMagic, an AI-driven YouTube optimization tool that claims to boost your video performance effortlessly. I've tested it myself, and in this video I'll break down what it is, how it works, and whether it's worth your money. So, if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, stick around, because this might be a game changer. TubeMagic is an AI-powered YouTube optimization tool designed to help creators rank higher in search, get more clicks, and increase watch time. Key features: AI title and description. Generator creates high-converting titles and descriptions. Keyword optimization finds the best tags and SEO-friendly keywords. Competitor analysis shows what's working for top-ranking videos. Thumbnail analyzer tests thumbnails for maximum CTR or click-through rate. Video script ideas helps generate engaging content ideas. According to their website, TubeMagic uses advanced AI and YouTube's algorithm data to give you a competitive edge. I used TubeMagic on one of my low-performing videos, and here's what happened. Optimize title and description. I input my old title and TubeMagic suggested 5 high-impact alternatives, way better than my original. Keyword research found low-competition keywords I hadn't even considered. Thumbnail feedback analyzed my thumbnail and suggested improvements for higher CTR. Result: my video's impressions increased by 35% in just 2 weeks. Pros saves hours of research. AI does the heavy lifting. Improves CTR and SEO rankings, proven in my test. Affordable compared to hiring an SEO expert. Great for beginners and experts with its easy-to-use dashboard. Perfect for new YouTubers who want to rank faster, experienced creators looking for data-driven optimizations, businesses, and marketers using YouTube for traffic. If you're serious about YouTube growth, TubeMagic is a no-brainer. My rating, 9 out of 10. TubeMagic is a powerful AI tool that delivers real results. It's not magic, you still need great content, but it gives you the best chance to succeed on YouTube. If you want to save time, boost rankings, and grow faster, I highly recommend trying it. What do you think? Have you tried TubeMagic? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. See you in the next video. Peace out.